So it's hating gabi. It's a little bit after midnight and I'm getting hungry after I prepared my pork belly. Um, I have corned beef from Connie. I have to hold my phone para hindi siya mahulog. Yeah. Oopsie. And normally sa Pilipinas when I eat pure foods, I eat it with bread. And today I went to Reve, not thinking about it. Bumili ako ng bread and yeah, hindi ko siya mauubos for sure. But I'm gonna have some fun. So, lagay ko siya. I don't know, hindi ko siya mauubos so I guess hindi ko na lang siya itatakip. The corned beef tastes so good, but yung bread hindi. Sobrang dry. Tingnan. And yes, maraming sibuyas. Hindi ako papayat nito. Feeling ko ang takaw ko. Well, totoo naman. So, wala. Yun na yun. Mahilig kumain eh. This one is really better than Pure Foods. Bakit? Masasabi, it's not as salty as Pure Foods. It's also not as fatty. So, less oily siya. I actually have to add oil pag naggisa ko ng onion. And when I added this, dinagdagan ko pa yung oil kasi hindi talaga siya ma-oily. And then, the other thing, the best part that I like about this that's better than Pure Foods is that, I don't know, maselan ako eh. So, yung Pure Foods or yung canned goods, nalalasahan ko yung tin can and yung preservatives. So, malakas yung yung kick niya sa akin. So, parang, ayoko. But, strangely enough, nung buntis ako sa baby ko, kahit na 5 years na ako hindi ko makain ng corned beef, siya yung kinikrave ko, pati sardinas. 10 years na ako hindi ko makain. Kinikrave ko. Lahat ng canned goods yung hinahanap ko that time. And hindi ko mahanap si maling. I don't know why, but actually just 2 days ago, nakapunta ako ng isang grocery na may maling. Iba nga lang yung itsura, but maling is maling. I don't know how it tastes like here, but I will have to give it a try. Actually, hindi siya ngayon. Eto. Have you guys tried this? Siya yung kinalalakihan kong luncheon meat eh. Yung blue and orange packing na round. So, one day, susubukan ko siya. No kidding. Masarap na masarap. One order kay Connie is actually 200 grams, pero marami na siya. See, nakainan ko na ganyan pa din. And so if kakain kayo, I guess kaya siya ng 2 or 3 persons. Depende na lang kung puro corned beef kinain nyo or may bread or rice. And yes, sarap na sarap.